you have a second-gen Dodge. And the floor's got a little dent in it. You fix it with a hammer. Made her angry. That's just weight reduction. Don't worry about it. All right, that's good. Look at that. It's like factory. You wouldn't even know the difference. Well, let's do the other side. It's like brand new now. You wouldn't even know. This is the best thing. We have the quick connect battery cables, because why wouldn't you have good battery connections, right?
Yeah. Yeah, this is perfectly ready to go chase tornadoes in the Midwest.
I think it's a good daily driver now.
Yeah. Just thought I'd show you guys the last Dodge that I floated gears in. Everyone was really nice in the comments to me about it. Just wanted to show you what it kind of state it's in now. Would you be surprised if I told you this is the exact same state it was in when we picked it up? There you go. That view look familiar? Motor's still in it. Motor's good. They just took the P pump off, I'm pretty sure. They have hearts of gold, but they have bodies of plastic. Now, plastic would last longer. They have bodies of tissue paper.